Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Fearless English Podcast. I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are really happy you're here.
Can I ask you something? Have you ever understood English but felt nervous when someone asked you a simple question? Maybe, what is your name? Or, where are you from? Suddenly, your mind goes blank.
If that happens to you, don't worry. You're not alone. Many English learners know lots of vocabulary, but they don't get enough speaking practice. That's why today's lesson is different.
Today, we're going to practice 70 real English questions and answers together. These are questions people ask every day, at school, at work, while traveling, or when meeting new friends.
Here's how we'll learn. First, listen carefully. Then, listen to our conversation. Finally, answer the question yourself. Don't worry if your answer isn't perfect. Just speak. That's how confidence grows.
Before we begin, please take 1 second to like this video, subscribe to Fearless English Podcast, and turn on notifications. We help English learners become confident speakers. Ready? Let's start our first conversation. Mia, Leo, what's your name?
My name is Leo.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. I'm excited to be here.
Great job. I hope you answered before Leo. Keep speaking with confidence. You're doing amazing. How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
What do you do?
I'm an English teacher and podcast host.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and I'm learning French.
Fantastic. Every answer you say makes your English stronger. Keep going. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue because it makes me feel calm.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is grilled chicken with rice.
What do you like doing in your free time?
I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and taking walks.
Why are you learning English?
I'm learning English because I want to speak confidently with people from around the world.
Leo, do you have a big family?
No, I don't. I have a small family, but we're very close.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have 1 younger sister.
Wonderful. You're doing a great job. Remember, every answer you say helps you become a more confident English speaker. Who are you closest to in your family?
I'm closest to my mother. She always supports me.
What do you usually do with your family?
We usually have dinner together, watch movies, and talk about our day.
How often do you visit your grandparents?
I visit my grandparents about once a month.
Fantastic. Don't worry if your answer is different from Leo's. Your answer is your story, and that's what makes English meaningful. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Daniel. We've been friends for many years.
What do you like doing with your friends?
We enjoy drinking coffee, playing football, and talking about life.
How often do you meet your friends?
I usually meet my friends on weekends.
What do you like most about your best friend?
He's kind, honest, and always makes me laugh.
Leo, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
What's the first thing you do after you wake up?
The first thing I do is make my bed.
Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning?
I usually drink a cup of coffee every morning.
Excellent. You're doing great. Remember, simple answers help you build confidence. Keep speaking. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs, toast, and a banana for breakfast.
How long does it take you to get ready?
It takes me about 30 minutes to get ready.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do. I usually go for a short walk before work.
Wonderful. Don't worry if your answer is different from Leo's. Talk about your own life. That's how real conversations begin. Do you check your phone after you wake up?
Sometimes I do, but I try not to spend too much time on it.
What time do you leave home?
I usually leave home at 8 o'clock.
How do you usually go to work?
I usually drive to work, but sometimes I take the bus.
How do you feel in the morning?
I usually feel happy and full of energy after a good breakfast.
Leo, are you a student or do you work?
I work as an English teacher and podcast host.
Where do you work?
I work at an English language school.
What do you enjoy most about your job?
I enjoy helping people learn English and become more confident.
Excellent work. Remember, every answer you speak is another step toward fluency. Keep going. What time do you usually start work?
I usually start work at 8:30 in the morning.
What do you usually do first at work?
I check my emails and plan my lessons for the day.
Who do you work with?
I work with friendly teachers and wonderful students.
Great job. Don't worry if your answer is different from Leo's. The most important thing is to answer with your own experience. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English because I love learning languages.
How do you usually study English?
I study English by reading books, listening to podcasts, and practicing speaking every day.
Do you enjoy working with other people?
Yes, I do. I enjoy sharing ideas and learning from others.
What's your biggest goal at work or school?
My biggest goal is to improve every day and help more people through English.
Leo, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is grilled chicken with rice. It's delicious and healthy.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is fresh orange juice.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually have rice, vegetables, and chicken for lunch.
Fantastic. You're becoming more confident with every question. Keep speaking and don't worry about making mistakes. Can you cook?
Yes, I can. I enjoy cooking simple meals at home.
What's your favorite meal to cook?
I like cooking pasta because it's quick and easy.
How often do you eat at a restaurant?
I usually eat at a restaurant once or twice a month.
Excellent work. When you answer these questions, try adding one extra sentence. It helps you sound more natural and confident. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do, but I don't like food that's too spicy.
What fruit do you eat most often?
I usually eat bananas and apples because they're healthy and easy to find.
How much water do you drink every day?
I drink about 2 liters of water every day.
If you could have dinner with anyone, who would you choose?
I'd choose my family because I enjoy spending time and sharing meals with them.
Leo, do you enjoy shopping?
Yes, I do. I enjoy shopping, especially for books and clothes.
How often do you go shopping?
I usually go shopping once a week.
What do you usually buy when you go shopping?
I usually buy groceries, fresh fruit, and things I need for the week.
Excellent work. You're answering more confidently every day. Keep speaking. Every sentence makes you stronger. Do you prefer shopping online or in a store?
I prefer shopping in a store because I like to see the products before I buy them.
What's the last thing you bought?
The last thing I bought was a new backpack for work.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do. I love visiting new places and meeting new people.
Wonderful. When someone asks about your favorite place you visited, try giving a reason. For example, don't just say, yes, I do. Say, yes, I do, because I enjoy learning about different cultures. That makes your English sound more natural and interesting. What's your favorite place you visited?
My favorite place is the Lake District because it's peaceful and beautiful.
Where would you like to travel in the future?
I'd like to visit Japan because I'm interested in its culture and food.
What do you always take with you when you travel?
I always take my passport, phone, wallet, and a good book.
What's the best thing about traveling?
The best thing about traveling is meeting new people and learning about different cultures.
Leo, what do you usually do in your free time?
I usually read books, listen to podcasts, and go for a walk.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading because I learn something new every day.
Do you enjoy listening to music?
Yes, I do. I listen to music every day, especially when I'm relaxing.
Excellent work. You're speaking more naturally with every lesson. Keep going. You're doing an amazing job. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music and soft acoustic songs because they help me relax.
Do you enjoy watching movies?
Yes, I do. I enjoy watching movies with my family on weekends.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Pursuit of Happiness because it's inspiring and motivational.
Fantastic. When someone asks about your favorite movie, book, or hobby, try explaining why you like it. Adding a reason makes your English sound more natural and interesting. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I do. I play football with my friends whenever I have free time.
What book are you reading these days?
I'm reading an English learning book to improve my vocabulary and speaking skills.
Do you prefer spending time indoors or outdoors?
I prefer spending time outdoors because I enjoy fresh air and nature.
If you had a free day tomorrow, what would you do?
I'd visit a quiet park, read a good book, and spend time with my family.
We hope you enjoyed today's speaking practice. Remember, confidence doesn't come from knowing every word. It comes from using the words you already know.
Here's today's community question. If you could introduce yourself to one new friend in English today, what is the first thing you would tell them about yourself? Write your answer in the comments below. We'd love to read it and cheer you on.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Fearless English Podcast, and share it with another English learner.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, English is not about being perfect, it's about being fearless.
Goodbye, everyone. Stay fearless.